She was laughed at, insulted, called crazy for feeding a stray dog every day. But when her life was in danger, that same dog became her shield, and the city never forgot what they saw next. Alina was 16, living in a small town with her parents. Every day after school, she took a longer route home, just to visit the corner behind the mosque, where a stray dog waited. He was thin, dirty, and limping slightly. But every day, her lunchbox carried one extra roti. Alina would sit, smile, and say, "Don't worry, I'm here." It didn't take long for people to start noticing. "Pagliho gay hi," said the fruit vendor. "She'll get diseases," warned a neighbor. Her own friend said, "Why waste time on that dog?" But Alina never fought back. She just whispered to the dog, "Ignore them. They don't know your heart." The dog, now named Rusty by Alina, began waiting for her. Rain or sun, he never missed a day. He never barked, never begged, just looked into her eyes, full of quiet gratitude. For the first time in Alina's life, someone looked at her like she mattered, without judgment. One evening, Alina was alone at home. Her parents had gone to attend a funeral in another city. Outside, thunder roared. Power was out. And then, a creak at the back door. A man had jumped the wall. A thief? Worse? Before Alina could scream, Rusty, soaked and furious, jumped through the broken kitchen window and attacked the intruder. The man fought back, hit Rusty with a rod, but Rusty didn't stop. His growls echoed in the dark like thunder itself. Finally, neighbors heard the commotion. Lights turned on. People gathered. The man escaped. And Rusty? He collapsed in Alina's lap, bleeding. Alina didn't care what people thought. She ran through the rain to the nearby vet clinic, holding Rusty like her own child. Doctors said, "It's serious." But he fought like a lion. There's hope. For 2 days, Alina didn't eat. She just waited. On the third day, Rusty wagged his tail. He opened his eyes. Alina laughed for the first time in days. Outside the clinic, a crowd waited, the same people who once mocked her. Someone handed her a bowl of food for Rusty. Another offered a leash. They had all seen what real love looked like. Alina was no longer just the girl who fed a dog. She became a symbol in her town. A reminder that dignity isn't just about status or speech. It's about the heart. Rusty, now stronger, walked beside her every day. People nodded in respect. Sometimes the ones we help become the ones who save us.